Hi, Sangeeta here. From basically, I have completed my MBA and in HR, and post that I have worked with Fountain at MKTG, which is a part of Dentsu Aegis network. Basically, Dentsu Aegis network is into a media-based company, media-based digital marketing company, in which Fountain at MKTG I have worked as an HR person. So, Founded MKTG was into experiential marketing company, which is into events and mice and all that. Okay, so coming on to the next company I have worked with is True Influence, which is it's basically a data-driven technology-based company which deals into B2B demand generation and digital marketing and all that. There I was working for the entire. I took care of the entire recruitment of non-IT and. Post that I am working with CareerNet since 6 months. I am a part of CareerNet, and from basically CareerNet deals with the staff augmentation. They are a company which deals into human resource staffing and permanent staffing basically. So they also have something called RPO model, and since 2 months I'm working with Unacademy. I have supported sales hiring, and coming on to the next question, what is your okay? What do you think is your biggest professional achievement so far? Okay, so being a part of True Influence team was my biggest achievement so far, because initially when I had joined, it was a team of like 100 plus employees in the company, and post that it's like during my tenure of work, I have successfully completed the recruitment in such a way that by the end of the tenure I was able to see like around 200 plus employees in the company. So I was that was again that was again a plus that I believe which is an achievement for me. And again the same thing holds true with Unacademy also. I've been contributing with Unacademy from 2 months, and I believe myself to be a better person in even in these 2 months. So what drives me is I can tell I'm not a lazy person. I am a person who is very target oriented. I believe in setting standards for my own self. Like for every milestone, I just keep my goals to grow. So that's what drives me. And what is it that I do better than most other people is recruitment, I can tell. Very simple. And why? Because I not only just fit in the vacant positions, but I also look in terms of candidates sustainability and sticking on with the company that we have hired. Because in my previous companies, if any candidate is filled in and he doesn't stick on, so that is again the same thing. I had to start from ABCD, and again I have to do the same thing, right? So I avoid such hiring, and I believe in advanced recruitment, which is not only just filling in the positions vacant, but also making sure that the candidate who is joining is happy with what he is getting and what he has done so far. And apart from that, even the business team which is looking for this uh, resource should be happy with it. It's not just like someone comes, looks for some days, and then if you get some other good offer and leave it. I believe in recruitment without people without at least sticking on to at least with the company basically. This is what I believe into.